up everyone, it is Thais here. So today I will be showing you guys how I got this beautiful high puff on my hair using Swirly Curly snappy hair tie. So this video is in partnership with Swirly Curly. So I will be reviewing and giving a demo of their hair ties. So their hair ties are made for curly and afro textured hair so that you can put your hair in a ponytail or a high puff in a comfortable way. And you also get a lifetime warranty on the hair tie, so if it ever breaks or it stretches out and you need a new one, they would definitely send you a new one for free. So definitely check out the website down below and use my coupon code to save 15% on anything in the store. So let's get started with this hair tutorial so I can show you guys how I got my high puff today. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking down my hair. Okay, so these are wash day twists. This is not a twist out. I only use a leave-in conditioner and an oil to seal my hair the night before. So I just take down my hair. This is how I get it ready for my puff. You want to just separate the hair to form it back into an afro. So now that my hair is loose, I would just be dampening my hair with a water-based leave-in conditioner, just to bring the afro back. Okay, see, you can see the afro is starting to come back. That's what you want. That's the key to a puff. And now I'm just taking some gel and putting it around my edges only. So now that my hair is all prepped and ready to go for my high puff, I will be using the Swirly Curly snappy hair tie to tie my high puff. So this is how it comes after you take it out of the package. It comes with 5 hair ties. So you just take them off like that. So this is how the hair tie looks after you take it out. So it comes with snaps that you can just pull apart like that. And the material on the hair ties is very, very soft. It feels so soft. It doesn't feel like it will snag the hair or anything like that. It's very, very gentle material. So you can definitely use just one snappy if you're just putting your hair in a ponytail. But since I'm doing a high puff, I will be using multiple ones. So now I have 3 right here that's already pulled apart, and you just connect them by snapping the edges together like that, and you can form 1. I think 3 would be good for me. Let me see if this is the right. Yeah, so you can make it as loose or as tight as you want it to. So I feel like 3 is too loose for me. Yeah, so I think 2 would be perfect. So this is 2 right here, and you just wrap it around your head. And you just snap it like that. And there you have it, guys. It's so easy to use. So I just push it back. yeah, so this is the final look of my high puff. I am loving it. It feels so comfortable on my head. I'm so happy to share it with you guys, and I'm so happy that I've discovered this new hair tool. This is definitely going to be a staple product for me in my regimen because I do not like when my ponytails or my puffs are so tight. So it feels amazing to just have a tool where I can adjust it to the comfort that I like. So definitely check them out down below in the description and use my coupon code TAIS15 to save 15% on anything in their store. So I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you all so much for watching. Give this video a rating and subscribe for weekly natural hair and self-care videos. Bye guys.